Hey guys, what's up? Tim Queen here, and today we're going to talk about video cover stories on LinkedIn, how to use them and all the potential behind this. And we're going to do a little tech preview, a little bit of a hack. So just jump over to my computer and I'll show you what I mean. So at this moment, you already have the ability to create LinkedIn stories. So that's only accessible on the mobile phone, but soon we will see some of those features swapping over to your desktop profile, and we're going to see some changes on your mobile LinkedIn profile as well. So what's going to happen is your profile will become like your place to be if someone wants to watch your stories. And what LinkedIn is building right now is basically a cover story, meaning you can pin one of your LinkedIn stories to your LinkedIn profile. This will be your welcome message. So whenever someone comes to your profile, there will be a little circle around this. And when they click on this, they will see your first pinned cover story. And that's really amazing. It gives you up to 1 minute of content where you can present yourself to a potential buyer. On your LinkedIn profile, you can have your elevator pitch ready and include whatever information you want to share that people should instantly know about you. So let's see how this could look like. I created a little mock-up because this is not yet available, but this is how it will look like. There will be a circle, potentially a colorful rainbow circle, and there will be like a picture playing of yourself talking, but it will be muted. And then when you click on this icon, it will open up your story and then it will play from start to end. So you have like 60 seconds of time where we can really present yourself. And you might think 1 minute, that's like nothing, but it's actually a lot of time. If you write a clever LinkedIn story script, you can put in so much information, give you a complete elevator pitch, describe who you are, who you're helping. You can describe your products and services. You can tell them how they can get in touch with you. And if you want to learn how to write such a LinkedIn cover story script, I highly recommend that you hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on, because I'm going to release one of those tutorials on how to structure your LinkedIn cover script from A to Z very soonish. Really hit the subscribe button, and also make sure that you head over to my website timqueen.com and sign up for my free LinkedIn hashtag guide. It's very simple. You get 33 pages of LinkedIn hashtag strategies, how to grow your brand organically on LinkedIn. All you have to do is to enter your first, last name and email, and I'm going to send you the link. You will also get an email notification once the video tutorial on how to create a video cover script for your LinkedIn profile is ready. So make sure that you sign up here. And if you want to just jump right into LinkedIn business strategy, you can also sign up for my LinkedIn Accelerator program, where I teach you complete A to Z strategy, how to build a complete LinkedIn lead generation system with content marketing on LinkedIn from scratch. The link is on my website and on the description of this video in the pinned comment below. And yeah, if you want to get more videos, also really make sure hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.